Here's our campsite here at Bandelier National Monument. It's overlooking a cliff and some forest. Ponderosa pine trees.
We're bear bagging.
We're bear bagging.
We're bagging a bear.
We're bagging. No, we're hoisting and we're elevating the food high enough that the bear can't get it from below, but far enough away from the trees that they can't scurry up and reach over and get it.
Huh.
It's like a big piñata.
Yeah.
Where's our bandana? Y'all have the big stick.
Bats are flying around.
That's the climb toward the.
That's
yeah.
the climb to go
Wait.
over to
Climb
Alamo
up
Canyon.
to the top to kind of do an overlook.
Climb up the other side of Alamo Canyon.
And that's
down.
what, a couple
Coming out of
miles?
this canyon, and what's Alamo?
Alamo Canyon.
Oh, that's not bad. It's just a lame UFO. Well, I think there's something up in this tree because stuff is falling off of it. Where? Oh! Yeah!
Oh my gosh, that's unreal.
What is?
It's got whatever it is. It's got a real bushy white tail.
I think it might be an neighbor squirrel.
Big bushy white tail.
Big old bushy white.
Yeah.
Andrew, can you see him?
Yeah, I think I do.
It almost looks like a skunk.
I think it's a neighbor squirrel. I think. Can only be. See the face, I think.
Doesn't make you wonder, do skunks go up? Because it was a white bushy tail.
I see it. So this is our second campsite. Wow.
Is that a no? Okay, no. Oh, really? Okay, I'll take that off there. I mean, it's like right
There's our campground below. Just climbed onto a steep cliff area thingy.
There you
Yeah, he's
go.
posing for you now.
Back this way, Andrew. He's turning the corner.
Oh, he just hid out.
Did you catch maybe a little?
Oh, I don't know, maybe.
Maybe.
That's a comfortable view. I've never seen you sit this while speaking.
We're all excited about it.
He was like, oh, whatever.
Very sweet. What if there was a bear?
You're shooting digital, right?
Yeah, but
Not that big of a bird.
it's really hard to tell which of the pictures you should dump without putting them on a full screen.
Oh, yeah.
You end up dumping the good ones.
You shouldn't blow off on it.
Yeah, I guess it doesn't look like these should.
There's another one on the other side of the rock.
He's poking his head out. That's what I do. It's okay.
Yeah. That's a good shot.
Get him peeking around the rock.
There.
He's like, all right.
Well, somebody wrote down. Looky. Fishing a bite. That's the closest I think I've come to a wild animal. Is that right? On the road. I lived in a neighborhood. They would sleep in my neighborhood. Oh, stunning. You know, I mean, it could be a new
Oh, you're a pretty thing.
you know. Yeah, they did.
Well, you should shoot people.
So here's another deer. Mooning me.
White shirt.
So this guy
That's, you're looking
spying on
at
us,
12
so
o'clock, about a third of the way up. A little bit, maybe just a short of half.
Start at the bottom and then work your way up.
There's a
Oh, I was looking up from that. Okay, I got you.
how many different kinds of trees and shrubs we see from here. Frijoles Canyon is an ecotone, a transition zone where plants and animals from several biological communities mingle. In an ecotone, the variety of species is greater than any one community alone. Because of this biological diversity, the Anasazi probably found ecotones productive places to hunt and gather food for medicinal herbs. Figure out.
Andrew's back behind here and has a good view. Do you want to come back behind? Yeah. I know, that's why I'm looking.
Chipmunk. Chipmunk, I know I saw you. That, I think, is a Colorado chipmunk. Please stay out of and off of the Homo. Oh, Horno. Oh.